everybody, this is Bob Iacchino, along with Mike Arnold from Path Trading Partners. It is October 9th. This is a Path Chat cryptocurrency educational update covering IOTA and Ripple. Little bit of a pullback in IOTA, really big pullback in Ripple. So let me turn it over to Mike to let you know what he is seeing on the charts and how he's looking at this. Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you, Bob. IOTA. Wow. Went through, hit the rotation zone, plummeted through the levels here. Didn't even pause, came back to retest this key 6.625 level. Going to take these off. They are no longer going to serve us. Came all the way down to test the 75% GAN retracement level. Pausing right now at the end of this clear path. Zooming over here, that's actually not an end of a clear path. It's a prior breakdown level. That's where it pauses, dip below, and then holding here. Also rallied up again to the 0.625 retracement level. We have the 4-hour rotation zone pushing it down, so anything coming back in here, turning lower, are selling opportunities or places to take profits if you're a very aggressive long and did buy something down here. We are not looking to buy anything yet. We do not have any high probability reversal patterns. If we come back up here and reverse back lower, we now have very key levels right around this 40.41825 level. And then we have a cluster down here right around this 0.4042 level. So those are going to be next very key levels lower that we will be watching for. This other red line here is another prior breakout zone that we'll be watching for. And again, if we do continue to rally, these levels up in here now between about 0.49135 and 0.49579, that's going to be very strong resistance. Prior support becoming resistance, so on a rally up, if you are long and looking to take some profits, that could be a very key area. And if you're looking to go short, that could also be a key area if it goes back up there and then rotates back down. Let's check out the daily chart. Let me resize this daily chart. You can see we don't even have a proper trend line redraw. I can't redraw that yet. That's how weak it's been. This one actually can be redrawn. Once technically we have to wait for this candle to close, but unless we have a very strong rally, we're also getting wider separation in the rotation zone. So we have major resistance even at this 0.5174 area on an even stronger rally. Nothing to do here from a bullish perspective at all on IOTA. On the other hand, Ripple, really nice run up. We highlighted these levels in the last video, and we've pretty much hit all the levels to the upside, including this 0.2793675 level. We can update these should we turn around. We also getting the bigger pullback finally, which is good. That's better for this market. Gives us a healthy pullback. Right now we dropped below the 4-hour rotation zone, rallied back up. This was also a sloppy double top. Nothing we'd short, but the full projected price lower. There were a couple intermediates, but just put on the full projected one. 0.23794, which is projected from this high on the 8th to the low also on the 8th. A full move down gave us this 0.23794, and that was fully hit, rallied back up to the prior breakdown level, and now we're waiting to see what it does next. So just want to show you how we came up with that level for a potential pullback if you were going to be an aggressive buyer of Ripple. Let's check in on the daily chart to see how this is playing out. Straight back, you can see here prior breakout zone and the rising 8 EMA while we use this rotation zone coming straight back down. We talked about at some point you're going to get a return to the rotation zone on the daily chart, and we did. Now we're going to be looking for some kind of reversal pattern or turn back up, preferably after a pause for a little bit, so we can work off some of this quick sell-off condition and let the rising rotation zone catch up, and then build a base, turn higher, and that will be a very good buying opportunity. So the next key levels we'll be watching for to the upside. Should we get beyond these most recent highs, we'll then be watching for 0.285872 intermediate level of 0.289125, and then 0.291855 to the upside. Keep in mind, we may have a multi-day pullback. This is not the time to get super aggressive yet. That's why we want some kind of base to build. We've already tested this once. If we pull back below this level, watch for then a potential return down to the 0.22498 level, which is key. And then the bottom of the rotation zone is 0.21768, which will keep rising as this price action goes by. So plot that out on your chart so you can track the price action and look for your key buying opportunities. So what we have for you with both Ripple and IOTA. Back to you, Bob.
Thanks for that, guys. Hit like if you like this video. If you like what we're doing, hit subscribe and consider donating to our Patreon page, which you can find the link in the description below. Also, if you could, check out the Money Path podcast. We'd love for you guys to listen to that and give us your comments either here or at our email. You can find our podcast at pathtradingpartners.com. You can also hit us up at support@pathtradingpartners.com. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching.